I just bought a van.
Nick and I love to travel, but every trip we plan meant 2 flights, starting with a $400 flight just to get to Toronto before heading to our real destination. We knew we had to find a better way to travel, and that's when we came across
van life. It's a term that is becoming more popular. People packing up their lives, moving into a mobile unit, and exploring the United States.
After months of looking, we finally found the perfect van, but it was 700 kilometers away. So come along with me on this journey.
What did I get myself into? Oh my gosh, the 6 lanes.
I'm stuck here until tomorrow. It's too cold to sleep. And bring our van home. So I hopped on hopefully my last flight to Toronto. So the plan is to shuttle to a train to Vaughan, Uber to the dealership, and drive the van all the way home. So hopefully it goes as planned, but we'll see. I'm in the middle of nowhere right now.
Okay, that's fair.
We're trying to find a shuttle. Okay.
This bus direct go to Union Station.
Okay, thank you. The bus driver said Union Station was across the street. I think that's it. Yeah, it's time to call Max.
Hello?
Hey. Yeah, I'm in Toronto right now. I don't know where I'm going.
Then you can just hop on the subway. There's going to be an option to board the train that's heading towards Finch or towards Vaughan, and just take the one that's going to Vaughan.
Okay.
Subway's just, it's straightforward.
Okay, thank you, Max.
Okay, good luck.
Thanks. Okay, bye. It says it's downstairs. Not only do I have to make it home, I have to make it home by 7 o'clock. I have an exam to write. Hopefully I make it back in time, or I'll be writing it on the side of the road. Hi. Is this the way to the subway?
I'm not telling you.
Oh no. Here we go. Oh, there it is.
Allsgood Station.
Now it's time to catch an Uber to the dealership. Okay, so you know what I just realized? I'm actually farther away from the dealership now than I was at the airport. So I could have taken an Uber from the airport and it would have been cheaper and faster than wherever I am now. You know, I knew that something like this was gonna happen, okay? Yes. I thought the dealership, I thought it was farther away from Toronto.
Is Toronto downtown?
Oh, and I'm right in there.
Yeah, unfortunately.
Maybe I should have went during rush hour, so then nothing would be moving.
Maybe. Don't say I don't like traffic.
Right here?
Yep, right. See ya.
Oh,
Very
how
good.
do I do it again?
It's
This
from
one.
here, press same time push the door.
Oh, okay, thank you. So I made it to the dealership, and I'm like basically right where we started. Okay, I think I see the van. I think that's the one. Oh my gosh, that's actually huge. I actually don't know how I'm supposed to be driving that. That's crazy. Oh no, what did I get myself into? Okay, so I have some updates. After the whole thing about going to Vaughan, even though it was in Toronto the whole time, after that and I actually got to the dealership, I ran into some issues. And all these issues boiled down to one thing, which is Harold. Harold was the one I was emailing back and forth this entire time. So I'm gonna tell you all about my problems with Harold. Okay. Reason 1. I emailed him last week to double check everything that I needed to bring to be able to pick this up. Harold never answered, right? Of course. Reason 2. Harold knew I was flying to Toronto today, okay? And this guy didn't show up to work today. He didn't tell anyone at the dealership that I was coming to pick up the van today. 3. The van needs a new light.
Harold said this paint was ready last week, so why is it not even ready today when I'm actually picking it up? Number 4, Harold didn't tell me that I need to bring the down payment today. Should I have assumed that I probably needed to bring the down payment today? Yes, okay, I'll admit that. Luckily, Nick and I were able to transfer to the dealership. Number 5.
I asked him if I come down there, I could pick it up without Nick, or Nick need to be the one that picks it up. He's like, oh no, you're good to pick it up.
They needed me to sign so many papers, so I was able to drive it home. But luckily I can drive it home, but he made it seem like it was not an issue. The 6th reason why is because he asked me for the pictures of Nick and I's driver's license. When I got here, they're like, no, we need a photocopy, front and back, of both of your driver's license. Nick had to leave work to grab his license, go back to work, print it, and then fax it over to the dealership. Number 7. Now, this isn't directly Harold's fault. I have an exam to write at 7, and I'm not making it back home by 7, so I'm going to have to write this exam on the side of the road. And this, partly my fault because I went all the way to Vaughan when I didn't have to, but I'm including Harold in that issue, okay? So that's it for now, but we'll see what other issues this Harold brings up for me, okay? Okay, so we got the van. Okay. This thing is huge. I'm not okay right now. This thing is ginormous. See, I cannot believe how big this is, and I can't check my blind spots. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's so busy. The middle lane. You told me to get on the right lane. Holy. I could actually cry right now. When I was getting on this exit, I was at a red light, and the exit was right after the red light, and I'm like, well, I'm not making that. I can't see my blind spot at all. So at the red light, I rolled down my window, and I asked the guy beside me if he'll let me go in front of him, and he let me cut in front. Thankfully. It's officially 6 lanes, okay. Oh my gosh, why didn't I wait for Nick? Oh my gosh, this is so big. I think I'm gonna blame Harold too for me going to Vaughan, because I swear it was on the website that the car was in Vaughan, I swear. Okay, so far driving this thing, I feel like the wheel, it does not take much for me to be in the other lane, which kind of scares me. I haven't even been looking at that mirror, to be honest. I have no clue what's going on over there. And I don't know if anyone's there, but I'm gonna signal for like 5 seconds, and then I'm merging, okay. Like, there's cars all around me, man. I'm literally like not fish, that's a little dramatic, but like all over the place. Like, there's 2 people passing me and I can't keep in the middle. I'm not joking, it's actually hard for me to keep this centered. I'll still have like 5 hours to go after I'm done writing my test, because I work tomorrow on top of that, so. Okay, that was insane. This thing feels like a bus. I am only an hour and a half in, but it's 6:30 now. My test is at 7, so I found a Starbucks I can go to, thankfully. Okay, so I finished part 1 of my test. Okay, I have 1 more to write, and then I'm back on the road. Okay, looks like Christmas. 78%, I'll take it. Okay, so I work in less than 12 hours, so it's great. We're done at Starbucks, 8:30. So we have the tire flashing. We have an engine light, and we had an oil symbol. Okay, so I think I decided on Sudbury. It's almost 3 hours away, and then when I wake up tomorrow, it'll be 3 hours home. Okay, I finally have the music Bluetooth to the van now, so I can actually listen to my music, so I'm definitely making it to Sudbury. I'm in the middle of nowhere right now. I missed the exit. I realized that these headlights are on, and I think it's really windy, or I'm leaving the doors open or something, because I'm moving all over the place and I can't see, and I have to go like really slow. Shouldn't stay where I am now. I kind of need to go, but I don't know what to do. Okay, update.
It does have lights, I just didn't know how to work it. Right here, there you go. That is where you turn on the headlights or high beams or whatever. I couldn't see anything on the dash, none of that would light up. Okay, now maybe we'll see if we can make it to Sudbury. Okay, update. Well, I think there's an accident here or something. I don't really know, but anyways, I drove past this and then I realized I had no fuel, okay? I looked and there it said 0, but I drove all the way back here and this place is closed. I think I'm stuck here until tomorrow. And this is actually getting creepy, especially because I actually can't leave if I wanted to. I have to wait till morning. I don't know, and I just don't like how you could just pop your head over and you could see me alone. I already called in to work tomorrow. It's 5:52. It's so cold. Yeah, I was not ready to be sleeping in the van already, so I'm wearing this sweater as a sleeping bag. I'm sorry, Nick, for stretching your sweater. I know you hate that, but you'd understand if you're here. I've been putting my head down like that, and now I next. So sorry. Yeah, just one more hour to go. And the thing is, I haven't slept either. It's too cold to sleep. So I'm just gonna drive over there to the diesel pump. So I'm freaking freezing. So we're gonna try and start this thing. So hopefully we make it there. So just to give you an idea, it's 5 degrees right now, which is 41 degrees Fahrenheit. But that's like the temperature of a fridge. The plan is, when I do gas this thing up, or diesel this thing up, I'm gonna take a nice warm nap. There's so many things that just went wrong. 7:01, let's go. Okay, there's a guy walking in. Oh my god, it's open. Okay. Yeah, here we go. Made it to a rest area. I'm gonna take a little break. We're almost there. Okay. Oh no, are you kidding me right now? Crack in the windshield. I heard a rock hit the windshield, but I didn't see it yesterday. Hi, I was just wondering if I was covered for a windshield crack.
No, unfortunately, it's not covered.
Okay, thank you. Like, what else can go wrong, like, actually? Okay, now that we're a couple hours into the drive, it's really not that bad. I could actually cry right now. Finally made it back to the zoo. Woohoo! That was the longest trip of my life. We got the van, so mission accomplished.